Yeah, so we call them one-way doors or two-way doors. Two-way door, you go out the door, you see what's there. If you don't like it, you just turn around and go back. A one-way door, you go through the door, it's locked. It's very expensive to go back. And but before we approached making a decision, we would ask, is it a one-way door or two-way door type decision? And the reason you ask that right when you start out is because you have a different set of tools and processes for one-way doors and two-way doors. So like a good example of a one-way door decision would be, where do we want to build this next fulfillment center? Or, for city planning or a region, like where should the next airport go? Or do we expand a new runway? It's very expensive to, once you decide to make that decision, and you can't really go, you can go back, but you have to spend a lot of money. And so to do that, or it takes a long time to reverse it. And so what you have to do a lot more research, contingency planning, scenario analysis, collect a lot more data. A lot of large companies use that one-way door decision making for most of their decisions. What we found is that most of our decisions at Amazon were actually more like two-way door decisions. And that's where speed is important, and also the ability to course correct. Once you get more information, well, here's what we thought. Oh, it's a bit different. Let's course correct, and you'll get to where you're going quicker. And so for that, you're optimizing for speed and course correction versus, the one-way door decisions. You're trying to minimize risk, minimize cost. You want to be a lot more certain about, as we go through step one, go through this door, is it the right door to go through? Because it's going to be expensive to unwind. So just asking yourself, is it a one-way door or two-way door decision helps. And then saying, what are the tools and processes we use, and how are they different for a one-way door versus a two-way door decision? Because a lot of companies make two-way door decisions with one-way door processes, and that's where you get all of the cost and the slow speed, and you don't get the benefit of being able to move fast and course correct. And so just those simple questions up front really helped us move forward and choose the right path.